So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 9 of your class 6 English, that is Life of Working Children. So let's begin with this lesson. Mohit was traveling to Mumbai on a train with his family to spend his summer holidays there. मोहित क्या कर रहा था? ट्रेवल कर रहा था अपनी फैमिली के साथ अपनी समर हॉलीडे स्पेंड करने के लिए ट्रेन में. He was very excited about it. वो बहुत ज़्यादा excited था. He made lots of plans. उसने बहुत सारे plans बनाया. What he was going to do in his break, कि वो क्या करेगा अपने break time में. He was dreaming of sleep and waking up late. उसने dream कर रहा था ज़्यादा सोएगा और late उठेगा. He thought about good sweets and his grandmother was going to prepare for him. उसने सोचा कि उसकी grandmother क्या-क्या अच्छी चीजें उसके लिए prepare करेंगी. At night when his parents were fast asleep on their berth, he heard whisper near his lower berth. तो जब उसके पेरेंट्स लेट नाइट अपनी बर्थ में सो गए थे तो उसने थोड़ी थोड़ी खुशबुसाहट सुनी अपने नीचे वाले बर्थ में. मोहित फ्लैश a small torch to see what was happening. उसने अपनी छोटी सी टॉर्च फ्लैश करी देखने के लिए कि क्या हो रहा है. He suddenly saw a little boy trying to sleep on floor in the small space between two berths. उसने देखा छोटा सा बॉय सोने की कोशिश कर रहा है स्पेस में जो टू बर्ड्स के बीच में होता है. The boy looked scared and hungry. Boy कैसा लग रहा था? Scared, डरा हुआ और भूखा लग रहा था. Mohit offered him a biscuit and they started talking. मोहित ने ऑफर करा उसको बिस्किट और वो लोग बात करने लगे. Mohit asked, "What is your name?" मोहित ने पूछा कि तुम्हारा नाम क्या है. How old are you? तुम्हारी एज क्या है. What are you sleeping? Why are you sleeping on the floor? तुम फ्लोर पे क्यों सो रहे हो? The boy replied, "My name is Manu." Boy ने बोला मेरा नाम मनु है. I am 10 years old. मैं 10 साल का हूँ. I want to go to Mumbai. मुझे मुंबई जाना है. But where are your parents? asked Mohit. मोहित ने पूछा तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स कहाँ हैं? I don't know where they are. I don't remember them. Replied Manu. मनु ने बोला मेरे को नहीं पता वो कहाँ है. मेरे को नहीं पता वो कैसे दिखते हैं. मुझे याद भी नहीं है. What do you mean? You don't remember your parents? asked Mohit. क्या मतलब तुम नहीं जानते अपने पेरेंट्स को? Why my father left on a train while I was sleeping many years back. जब मैं सो रहा था मेरे फादर ने मुझे left on a train मेरे को ट्रेन में छोड़ दिया था. Came the reply. Shocked Mohit asked, "How could your father leave you behind?" तुम्हारे फादर कैसे छोड़ सकते हैं तुम्हें ऐसे? See, I come from a very small village. मैं बहुत छोटे से गांव से आता हूँ. I don't even remember the name of it. मुझे नाम भी नहीं पता उसका. I had 3 brothers and 2 sisters. मेरे 3 भाई हैं और 2 बहन हैं. We were very poor and did not have enough to eat. हम बहुत ज़्यादा गरीब थे और हम पे ज़्यादा खाने के लिए नहीं था. One day my father told me that we are going to the big city to find a job. एक दिन मेरे फादर ने हमें बोला कि हम बिग सिटी जा रहे हैं, बड़ी सी सिटी में जा रहे हैं, शहर में जा रहे हैं जॉब ढूंढने के लिए. To bring back some money, वापस मनी लेके आएंगे. I was very excited because that was my first train ride. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश था क्योंकि वो मेरी first train ride थी. When we left, my mother hugged me and was crying very hard. जब हमने छोड़ा मेरी मदर ने मुझे बहुत तेज हग करा और बहुत तेज रो रही थी वो. Then my father and I sat on a train. मेरे फादर और मैं ट्रेन में बैठे. When I woke up in the morning, I was all alone. जब मैं मॉर्निंग में उठा मैं अकेला था. I could not find my father. मैं अपने फादर को नहीं. Mohit was taken aback. What? How could your father leave you like that? Why father तुम्हें ऐसे कैसे छोड़ सकते हैं? What did you do? तुम क्या करते हो? I got off train and what did you do? तुमने क्या किया? I got off train and started looking for my father at the station. मैंने अपने फादर को ढूंढना स्टार्ट करा स्टेशन पे. Night came, रात हो गई and I still could not find him. फिर मैं जब भी उन्हें नहीं ढूंढ पाया. Then I started crying and sat in corner to hide from the station master. मैं फिर रोने लगा एक कॉर्नर में बैठ गया स्टेशन मास्टर से छुपने के लिए. I was hungry and lost. मैं भूखा था और खोया हुआ था. Next day I met another small boy who was selling paper soap. फिर मैं एक दिन किससे मिला? एक छोटे से बच्चे से मिला जो पेपर सोप बेच रहा था. On the railway platform said Manu. With a little sigh, Manu continued. His name was Raghu. उसका नेम था रघु. He found me and took me to a place. उसने मुझे ढूंढा और मुझे एक जगह लेके गया. Where there were many children like me. जहाँ मेरे जैसे और भी बच्चे थे. Some of them had got lost. कुछ उनमें से खो गए थे. Some ran away from their families and some were left behind by their families. So कुछ उनकी फैमिलीज छोड़ गई थी, कुछ अपनी फैमिली से भाग के आ गए थे और कुछ खो गए थे. Why would a family do that to their children? asked Mohit. मोहित ने पूछा ऐसा क्यों करती है फैमिली अपने बच्चों के साथ? There are many reasons. Many of us come from villages. Some of us were sold by our own parents. कुछ हम विलेज से आते हैं और कुछ हमारे पेरेंट्स, कुछ को हमारे पेरेंट्स बेच देते हैं. Who didn't have the money to look after a big family, जिनको इतनी बड़ी फैमिली की ध्यान रखने के बाद लिए पैसा नहीं होता. Some parents are tricked into it, replied Manu. कुछ पेरेंट्स ट्रिक हो जाते हैं इसमें. How can the parents be tricked? पेरेंट्स कैसे ट्रिक हो सकते हैं? I have 8 friends to whom this had happened. मेरे 8 दोस्त हैं जिनके साथ ऐसा ही हुआ है. Their parents or aunt were contacted by someone they knew. पेरेंट्स और उनके aunt कांटेक्ट करती है जिनको वो जानते हैं. This person promised their family a better life for the children. वो person promise करता है better life के लिए उनके children की. They promised to send the children to school or give them houses to live in. वो promise करता है कि children को school भेजेंगे, उन्हें घर देंगे रहने के लिए. 5 friends were taken away by that person. मेरे friends वो उन person को ले गए. He later forced them to work in factory. और उनको फिर force करता है कि factories में काम करो. 3 of them were simply sold to other employees. उनमें से 3 को बेच दिया गया दूसरे employees को. I have 2 other friends whose father just left behind on train. Explain Manu. और मेरे I have 2 friends, मेरे 2 दोस्त हैं whose father just left, जिनके fathers ने ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया उन्हें ट्रेन में. What happened to them? asked मोहित. मोहित ने पूछा उनको उन्हें क्या हुआ? A lot of things and often bad things happen to us. बहुत सारी चीजें और बहुत बुरी चीजें भी हुई. Some of us are made to sing and dance on the streets. कुछ को बोला गया कि गाना गाओ, डांस करो स्ट्रीट्स पे. You can see children dancing in the middle of road or selling things at the traffic signal. आपने देखा होगा सिग्नल पे बच्चे डांस कर रहे होते हैं, चीजें बेच रहे होते हैं. At times, small children get lost. एक टाइम पे छोटे बच्चे खो जाते हैं. To survive, they join other children who work. फिर survive करने के लिए वो join करते हैं दूसरे बच्चों को. Continued Manu. But what kind of work can small children do? Asked shocked Mohit. Shocked Mohit ने पूछा बट छोटे बच्चे क्या काम कर सकते हैं? With a sad smile, Manu said. एक sad smile के साथ मनु ने बोला many things, but most of them are illegal. बहुत सारी चीजें, but उनमें से सारी चीज ज्यादातर चीजें illegal होती है. I started working in a factory where they made silk. मैंने start करा फैक्ट्री में वर्क करना जहाँ सिल्क बनती है. We are made to work in factories that make crackers. हमें बोला जाता है कि क्रैक उन फैक्ट्रीज में काम करो जो वहाँ पटाखे बनते हैं. At construction sites and सारी फैक्ट्रीज, कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट्स में भी सारी फैक्ट्रीज में. But isn't it dangerous? Inquired मोहित. मोहित ने पूछा ये डेंजरस नहीं है? Yes, it is very dangerous. हाँ ये बहुत ज्यादा डरावना है, डेंजरस है, खतरे भरा है. We are forced to work under the horrible condition. हमें फोर्स किया जाता है कि इस horrible condition में वर्क करो. We work for hours, sometimes for 16 hours a day. कभी कभी हम 16 घंटे काम करते हैं. There are times when we are not given fresh food. एक टाइम आता है कि हमें फ्रेश ताज़ी खाना भी नहीं दिया जाता to eat. I hate being punished if I did something wrong or was not working fast. मुझे पनिश किया जाता है. मैं हेट करता हूँ उस कंडीशन को कि जब मेरे को पनिश किया जाता है, जब मैं कुछ गलत कर देता हूँ या लेट काम करता हूँ. But we can't do anything. पर हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. We are all done in this world, so we stay wherever we get money. तो हम वहाँ रहते हैं जहाँ हमें पैसा मिलता है. Food and a place to stay. When things get bad, we run away to another place. जब चीजें बुरी हो जाती है हम दूसरे प्लेस पे चले जाते हैं. Explain Manu. I have heard that if it is against the law to make children's work. मैंने सुना है कि against the law के बच्चों से वो काम कराना, but it is still happens. Nobody cares for us. He finished. किसी को चिंता नहीं है हमारी. What do you eat? तुम क्या खाते हो? Well, it depends on where I am. Sometimes I go hungry. ये depend करता है कि मैं कहाँ हूँ. कभी-कभी मैं भूखा भी चला जाता हूँ. If I am working at a tea stall, then the owner usually gives me the leftover. अगर मैं tea stall पे वर्क करता हूँ, तो owner मुझे बचा-खुचा खाना दे देता है. Sometimes I even have to look out for food in the garbage. कभी-कभी मुझे garbage में से खाना ढूंढना पड़ता है. Don't you feel lonely? asked Manu. क्या तुम अकेला फील नहीं करती? मनु ने पूछा. With tears in his eyes, Manu replied, very much. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा अकेला फील करता हूँ. I miss my family. मैं अपनी फैमिली को मिस करता हूँ. I hardly remember what they looked like. हमें को याद भी नहीं है कि वो कैसे दिखते थे. For a long time, I tried to find them. मैंने बहुत टाइम तक कोशिश करी उन्हें ढूंढने की. But I don't remember where they lived. I miss my mother hugs. पर मुझे नहीं पता कि वो कहाँ रहते. मैं अपनी मदर की हग्स को मिस करता हूँ. What are you going to do in Mumbai? asked Mohit curiously. मोहित ने curiously पूछा तो मुंबई में क्या करने वाले हो? Mumbai is a big city where when it goes cold in Delhi, some of us go to Mumbai. जब ठंड हो जाती है दिल्ली में हम मुंबई जाते हैं. There are millions of children like us, you know. बहुत सारे millions of children होते हैं हमारी तरह. we will find something to do. हम कुछ ना कुछ करने के लिए ढूंढ लेंगे. Soon it was morning and Mohit's parents were going to wake up. सुबह का टाइम था, मोहित के पेरेंट्स उठने वाले थे. Manu could be caught for traveling without a ticket and thrown out of the train. मनु पकड़ा जा सकता था ट्रैवल करने के लिए ट्रेन में विदाउट टिकट, और उसे बाहर फेंक दिया जाता ट्रेन से. सो ही हैड टू लीव, तो उसे जाना पड़ा. बिफोर मनु एस्केप, मोहित gave him some food. मोहित ने उसे कुछ खाना दिया that he had in his bag and his favorite toy to remember him by. और अपने फेवरेट टॉय जिससे वो उसको याद रखे. In the few hours of the night, the whole world of Mohit had changed. मोहित की पूरी दुनिया चेंज हो गई थी कुछ रात एक थोड़े घंटों में. He was suddenly aware of many things that he had taken for granted. उसे एकदम बहुत सारी चीजें याद आई जो for granted ले रखा है उसने. He knew that whenever he saw another poor kid on street, he would remember Manu. उसे पता था जब भी वो किसी गरीब बच्चे को फिर से रोड पे देखेगा, उसे एकदम मनु की याद आ जाएगी. So that's all for this story. Now let's begin with the exercises of this story. Take the correct option. What were Mohit's plans for the holiday? So his plan was he is going to sleep a lot. Who was Manu? He was abandoned boy of 10 years. He was friend of Mohit. He was a boy traveling to Mumbai with his family on the same train as Mohit. He was a neighbor. He was a abandoned boy of 10 years. What are children like Manu known as? Criminals, homeless children, biscuits, or thieves, homeless children. Why was Manu left behind by his own father? Manu was naughty boy. He was left behind as a punishment. He was not loved by his family. His family was so poor that they could no longer look after him. His 3 brothers and 2 sisters. What is the practice of making children work there? Exploited labor, young labor, child. Mohit offered a dash to the to the boy, biscuits to the boy, biscuits. Small children are forced to work under poor conditions. Many could be caught for traveling without a. Manu could be caught without traveling without a ticket. When it gets cold in Delhi, some of them go to Mumbai. The practice of making children work is called child labor. Now let's answer the following question. What do you think? What would be happen to Manu after brother Manu's? What do you think? What had happened to Manu's other brother and sister? Manu's other brother and sister were with his parents. They were in the poor condition. They cannot go to school. How are parents tricked into sending their own children off to work? They are tricked by that their children will be sent to schools. They will give the children a good house, but they make them work in the factories. What kind of life do working children lead? They lead a very dangerous life. That they work in the dangerous conditions, horrible conditions. In what kind of work factories are small children employed? They are employed in the crackers factory. They are employed in the sardines factory. They are employed in the garments factories and many other factories. They are employed on the construction sites also. In what kind of condition do such abandoned children live? They live in a very bad condition. Sometimes they slept hungry. Why do you think Mohit's life changed forever after meeting Manu? His life changed because he was taking everything for granted. He became serious in his life. When he will see any poor children on the traffic signal, he will remember Manu. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.